What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's gonna really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm gonna show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you, as they say. So you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show. And as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking. So watch this.
If someone gives me money for my product, right, and this goes in business, right, I'm not going to tell them no. Will I charge them more if they want to? You could do that, because I was trying to understand it too. You're talking about $6.99 baht, right, or whatever, 600 baht. Just charge and a half, like time and a half. A charge and a half. Say, okay, if you come in here single on your own, we're going to charge you a little bit more. We ain't going to double it, but we'll charge you a little bit more. Because I don't know if y'all thinking, well, we only going to do buffets for couples or more than one person. I think that's stupid to me. That's the mall area. If you walk in there, they take you to the mall. And I wasn't looking to get no mall food. So I came over here and we looked at the foods that they offer here. So they all work together. Got some seafood over here, got the shrimp. They fry that thing right up on the spot. And then you like noodles and stuff, Pattaya, mango sticky rice. Hey. I mean, that's how it is right now. So I got my battery pack because I didn't get to charge this phone. I'm eventually going to have to retire this phone because it's too old. It's not even holding the charge like it used to. I think I had this phone for maybe three years, maybe 4 years. But I think it's time to go ahead and retire this phone once December comes around. There's always 7-Elevens out here when you're shopping. And it's quiet where I'm at too, so I mean, it's pretty cool stuff. I stay up here, I stay over in this area. And Pattaya Hotel. It was supposed to be LK Hotel, but I messed that up, but it was a mixed blessing in disguise. Now, questions came up to me like, should I go for a hotel or should I go for a condo? If you're gonna stay directly in one location for more, or for 2 weeks or more, go for a condo, go for a villa. If you are gonna be jumping place to place to see different things, go ahead and have hotels set up. Now I went to Agoda, that's what it is, Agoda. Go to agoda.com and they have different things too. And I'll drop a link in my videos and stuff on where I book my hotels. Because they be throwing deals out, like stupid deals. They had one thing where I got a hotel for like damn $13 out here. Or $28 actually. Like my extended stay here was just $28. Now you're not gonna get that in the United States. Unless it's some sleazy place. And this place is pretty good. Other than the food here, the breakfast is not that good. Okay, other questions that came up was like, are people friendly here? So far, I haven't had any issues with people talking to me. any crazy things I've seen. I mean, I've seen little kids, and I'm not talking about these kids I see here. I've seen where kids are out on Walking Street at 4 o'clock in the morning, just being out there. And that threw me off because I'm like, wait, kids are in school. I know someone who has kids here. I was like, what are these kids doing out at 4 o'clock? And I ain't talking about no little baby. I'm talking about like elementary kids. And it kind of threw me off. I don't know if that's because of money not being as abundant out here. That might be the issue. There's another area out here. Hello, hello. Now, it's another area that I've seen. I didn't go invest into it. Everyone's seen the episode, or seen the movie Rush Hour 2, where Chris Tucker goes to Hong Kong with Jackie Chan. Goes in there with Jackie Chan, and they go to a massage place, and the door opened up, and all those Asian chicks are there. I actually have that here at this place, if you can see it. But people keep asking me questions, and I'm just going to answer your questions best I can, right? If you go to Honey to Body Massage, you pick them. They got the little card on and whatever. Because I went in there asking about that. So they got that over here, guys. So that's the area they have here. So when I say that, I mean the massage thing. They sit there. They basically they sit there all day. And then when they get a thing, no massage, thank you. So they have that there, and you pick. Now I went in there late, right? Just because I seen it. I said, damn, that like shit from Rush Hour 2. And the lady was rude. You know, one thing that pissed me off, even if I was going to do it, one thing that turned me off, if you be rude to me. And she would listen to prices, and they do this and do that, and I was like, well, let me think about it. She said, you don't have time to think, you need to pick now. And they only had like 3 people in there. And I'm just like, ain't no way. No massage. No massage. I already had a massage today. Out here, you can get a lot of people get massages. I would recommend you get massages. And I'm not talking about once a day, or I won't say once a day. You can do that once a day. This is the typical price of a massage. So you're probably looking at $3 massage, $10 massage. Compare this to baht to dollars. You're not paying that much.
So guys, I thank you for tuning in to another edition of Cooking with Luke and Friends. I had to cut it off as I promised to you. I was going to break this down in segments, so you got to stay tuned as I talk about the street food that I'm about to go to here in Korean Town. I hope that you like the video. I hope that you go ahead by liking it. Give me thumbs up, commenting down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share the message. I just want to let you know that we popped to 1,000 subscribers, and we're going to keep pushing on forward. And I appreciate the audience for listening to my channel and just enjoying it. Again, my name is Mr. Luke Everett Brooks. I'll see you next time. Take care. I have a cookbook. Just look right over here. There's a cookbook right here. You go here, check out the cookbook. It's great, the greatest meals that you could probably possibly think of as far as your restaurants, like your Chick-fil-A's, your McDonald's, your TGI Fridays. I break those down and I show you exactly how to make those meals at your home. So guys, again, I thank you. Don't forget to check me out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification and give me those likes, guys. If you want to see something else, just go ahead and comment down below. If you say, hey Luke, I like this or I don't like this, I take that feedback and I try to get you what you want, okay? All right, guys. I see you on the other side. Take care.